The 2 Tires Guide to the Metzeler Roadtec 02. Metzeler's Roadtec 01 SE has a cult following due to its fast warm-up, good wet weatherability, excellent outright grip, good feel at lean and its decent mileage returns. With the Roadtec 02, Metzeler have focused on improving this tire's sporting potential. For the tire's launch, it's only available in a 120 front, a 180 and 190 rear, with a heavyweight fitment rear option in the 180 size. It's highly likely this tire will also come in a 160 size. Not only have they improved the wet weather performance of the 01 SE, but they've also changed the profile to make this tire feel more sporty, with sharper handling. If you have an adventure bike with a 19-inch front wheel, like a BMW GS or KTM Adventure S, you'll like a perfect all-weather mile muncher. If you like what this tire has to offer but you want to save a few quid, check out the Metzeler Roadtec Z8. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.